Please welcome, the next presentation is VRoid Studio, a tool for making anime-like 3D characters using your imagination. Please welcome Pixiv VRoid Studio team.
Good morning. Let's start the VRoid session. I'm Norio Shimizu, and I'm working for the VRoid project at Pixiv. VRoid Studio is a 3D character maker that specializes in Japanese anime-like expressions. This is our 14th year managing our creative committee, Pixiv, which is used by over 10 million people per month worldwide. The artists who create drawings, comics, and novels on Pixiv all enjoy creating characters. The same goes for 3D artists. People want to enjoy creating characters. 3D creation software is often developed for experienced creators and can be hard to use. That's why we developed VRoid Studio with two things in mind. First, it should be simple. Second, it should also have enough expressive power. I would like to discuss how we have achieved these goals. Actually, it might be easier to show you. We start by taking a look at our face editor. There are presets for each facial part. If you like one of the presets that you see, you can use it as is. Of course, in addition to the preset, you can use parameter sliders to edit the shape of each component. Here, we will tweak the shape of the eyes. The eyes are an important expressive component, so we have prepared many presets and parameters. There are also options to create expressions specific to anime characters. For example, Jito eyes and Tare eyes. We won't go into the details here, but you can even edit eye textures from the presets if you want. Next, let's take a look at the outfit editor. There are many presets available. These include standard anime costumes, like maid uniforms, school uniforms, and many more. Simple, right? You can also customize clothes based on presets or templates. Now we show you how easy it is to create a jacket using existing items in VRoid Studio. First, let's pick a pair of formal pants from the presets. Next, we'll pick a coat to use as a base layer and then tweak it until we get a jacket. VRoid Studio has a built-in texture editor, so we can intuitively customize clothes. Since we are editing the texture, let's draw some pockets. Okay, so it's simple. Next, we want to create the shape of the jacket on the alpha map. Now we need to make the brush bigger and delete the unnecessary parts in the 2D view on the right side. In this way, VRoid Studio can erase meshes and textures. Just use the eraser tool to erase the texture of an item. The erased parts are deleted from the mesh when the model is exported. Creators can make complex outfits with no computer modeling experience. And finally, we need to choose a color palette. Okay, we are done. As you can see, even novices can make new clothing items with VRoid Studio. Let's take a look at the hair editor. You could argue that hair is one of the most important parts of a character's identity. Of course, there are many hair presets available as well. They can be selected here. Let's try making a hairstyle. There are two ways to make hairstyles. The first way is with procedural hair, and the other is with freehand freehand hair. We are going to create the left side of this hairstyle using procedural hair. The hair chunks are created from a set of procedural parameters. We can make our desired hairstyle by using the parameter sliders. As the name suggests, procedural hair allows you to generate hairstyles by specifying the parameters procedurally. Next, we are going to create the right side of this hairstyle by drawing it by hand. There are guidelines around the character's head. We call this the hair guide. When creating this hair modeling system, we focus on the experience of illustrators. And just like that, we were able to make our very own character. This concludes the demonstration. VRoid Studio is available for free. You can download it from our website or via Steam. We hope that everyone here today will enjoy creating characters with VRoid Studio. Thank you for listening.